Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Man Mangle. Actually, to some people this would be classed as an advanced move, so you can make your own judgment calls. It would be really helpful if you've already done a standard mangle as opposed to trying to start with a Man Mangle. So I'll put a link in the description below so you can go back and do a standard mangle if you've never done one. But if you're up for a Man Mangle, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. So let's break it down. This is one of those moves, if your technique is good, most people can make it work no matter what body shapes they are. However, the less your technique is really helping you, the more and more difficult it becomes if you're not exactly the right shape for this kind of move. So length of arms, differences in height, differences in circumferences, etc. Will make this either easier or harder. So we go back, looks like an arm jive. We go left, right. The guy does a turn to the left with the left hand up, the right folds behind the back, and then it just pops out to the side briefly. Guys are now turning right, that hand is coming into the shoulder as we go round and bring the right hand up. Just fingertips behind the neck here. Guys, we turn left, we go over the top with the right arm, keep the elbow nice and tight both for the guys and the ladies. The right goes over the top and comes down. The left comes over the top and comes down. The right goes up, the left goes up. We let go, we do a little bounce with the hips to send the lady away. We slide to two hands and that just ends as a catapult. In by the side, spin, catch, return, and back. So let's think numbers. Though to be fair, with a walking type static move like this, you could do the combs slowly instead of doing them in at speed, but we'll show you the kind of fast version. So it goes back to two hands. 1, pull left. 2, pull right. 3, guy goes round. 4, hand goes out. 5, back on the shoulder. 6, right hand comes up. 7, we go down. 8 and 1, up 2 and 3, away 4, to the side 5, spin 6, catch 7, return 8, and back 1. So let's try it. Let's see how we go. It goes 5, 6, a Man Mangle. It's a back, left, right, guys round and out on the shoulder. Raise the right, we go a down, down, up, up, out, to the side, spin, catch, return, and back. And hopefully you'll find it just a little bit easier because one of these microphones does actually get in the way because there's not a lot of spare room. I hope you find that useful. It will smooth out, it will get easier with a bit of practice, and remember it's just fingertips to fingertips, so you're maintaining your contact by pushing against each other. If you've got anything less than, or if you're trying to take any more of the hand than that, you will probably not have enough reach to make it work. Okay, so enjoy it. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.